In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your watch list from TradingView. Whether you're new to TradingView or have been using it for some time, being able to export your watch list can be a valuable skill for managing and analyzing your market interests on other platforms. So, let's dive into the process, step by step. First things first, you need to navigate to the TradingView website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all of your saved preferences and charts. Once you've logged in, look for the chart you want to work with. On your screen, you'll see your favorite features laid out clearly. Some essential tools are displayed, including your watch list, which is located on the right-hand side of the screen. This watch list is where you can easily add or remove your preferred financial instruments. Now, let's focus on the watch list itself. Right next to it, you'll notice an advanced icon, which looks like a plus sign. This little button holds the keys to many more options than those that are immediately visible. When you click on it, you'll get a drop-down menu of options that help you tailor your experience further. Once in this menu, keep your eyes peeled for the export icon. It's the one you're going to need to proceed. When you click on the export icon, the system will initiate the download process. Essentially, what this does is save your watch list to your computer in a convenient format, so you can manage it offline or upload it to other platforms if you need to. Make sure you know the default download folder on your computer so you won't have trouble finding it later. It's always helpful to know how to adjust your file saving settings, just in case you want these exports stored in a particular location. Explore your browser settings if necessary to customize this step according to your preferences. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your TradingView watch list. Once saved on your computer, you can easily access it, share it, or back it up. This simple yet powerful feature allows you to keep your investment interests organized and right at your fingertips, whether for professional analysis or personal reference. Thank you for joining me today. Exporting your watch list can greatly enhance how you interact with TradingView and help streamline your workflow. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future. Happy trading, and see you next time.